One of the intentions of this page is for me to try products and help you understand how to use them and incorporate them into your skincare routine without making mistakes. Tonight, I made the mistake. And so there was something I was excited about trying that was truly transformative that I don't get to share with you in the way that I would like it to. But I know they're going to send me another one, right? You guys can understand how to use it and maximize its efficacy because, babes, it's everything. All right, so boom, WNP has sent us their brand new mummy mask. It's called a resurrecting spa treatment. They said some of y'all skin looks like y'all been in a tomb somewhere, okay? And we're gonna help you on this day. Collagen restoring, brightening, and firming repair. Okay, she's a kit, she's a system, she's a thing. Let's get into it. A mask powder, a resurrecting spa treatment essence, and a spreadable mask. Okay, so step 1, after cleansing, apply the face mask evenly on the face. Okay, so I got my cup all sterilized and ready to go. This is step 1. That's step 1. You forgot the step 1. This is the mummy mask. This is the powder. This is the cloth. And then this is the essence and the spatula that comes with it. So let's get to it. Okay, so step 1 is to take the mask cloth out of here and apply it to a little bit of water. This is the lid that came with the kit. So I'm just going to do that step now, put it on my face, and then we're going to start mixing all of the other ingredients. Yeah, what you're witnessing right now is incorrect. That's not the right step. The mask needs to go on your face. Step 1 needs to go on your face before the cloth is applied to your face. Oh, this is for the neck. Okay, I'm gonna wet it and put it on my face. Again, this is incorrect. Okay, watching this is torture. This is incorrect. Spent all that time trying to get her on my face, and I needed to have the mask on my face first. Okay, when you get this kit, step 1 is to put number 1 on your face. Number 1 goes on your face to your face. So let's get her on. They want all the excess water completely wringed out. Oops, she goes behind the ear. Okay, friend. Okie dokie. They said hold her in place, girl. Okay. All right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got big ears. It's my mask. Okay, I want to take this piece and put it on my neck. Okay, like so. Oh, does this go on the ears too? Yeah. Oh, oh, this is a situation. All right. I think this is it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so next we're going to add the mummy mask and the essence to our bucket and mix it. And then we're going to apply it on top of this muslin mask. Okay. This is not how you're going to want to do it when you get the mask to your house. I did it wrong. Hold on. Okay, so step 1 is to apply this mask to the face, okay? Then apply this on top. So, hey, better me than you, okay? Better me than you. Better me than you. gonna start all over again. Okay, so now we are going to, all right. Okay, so I kind of did this a little wrong. So this is going to be a very educational fit for you guys. Now, first of all, don't mess this step up. Second of all, because this, once you mix this, it's liquid, right? I'm going to add some drops of water. Okay, so as you know, I made a mistake and had to redo steps 2 and 3. And in that time where I'd already mixed the powder with the essence, it created this foam that was supposed to be applied directly onto this muslin. When I put the cream on my face and then put the muslin back on and went over to get it, it was literally a big hard clump. Like a clump. I went to the sink and added a few drops of water and a few more drops and a few more drops, and baby, you cannot break this. It's like, girl. So there. I know it was gonna be transformative. I can tell just by like how this feels, and I totally understand what the mask is designed to do for the skin. Like truly transform the look and feel of your skin, make it super tight and firming and all that. There's no way it won't be firm after having this on for 15 to 20 minutes. But unfortunately, because I did it wrong, you don't get to see it. And it makes me a little sad for you. So WNP, send me another one. Because your girl wants to definitely try it. Your girl wants to try it, and I think this video is going to be the one that helps people get it right, because we don't want them to buy it and then get it wrong and end up in this situation. So everybody, we're going to try it again when they send me another one. Doggone it. Look, this video is not what I wanted it to be, but it's the honest truth of skincare. You try new products, you try new things. Sometimes you fail. The good thing is you don't have to fail, because I did and you didn't pay for the mistake. So learn from that, cleanse your skin, make sure you apply their step 1 first. This is step 2. Applying this on top is step 2, okay? Then mix your essence with your powder, with the mask powder, and put it on the skin immediately, because honey, she turns into this. Like, she turns into one big clump of this. It should be all over your face at that time. So when you take it off, it should lift off like one big poof, which is also explains why it goes behind your ear, because you'll probably need these little extra pieces of fabric to help get that one piece off your skin. So WNP, send your girl another one. I want it now so bad I can't even take it. I can't even wait. So cheers.